Hello everyone. My name is Kulimbaiva Nazirk Karabekizi and I am a young and creative English teacher. I graduated from Kazakh National Women Teacher Training University with a degree in 2 foreign languages, with honor diploma. Currently, I work as an English teacher at secondary school named after Kenan Azabayev. I teach different grades, and I truly enjoy watching my students grow, become more confident, and love learning English. These are my students, the main inspiration of my teaching journey. They make every lesson special, full of laughter, teamwork, and discovery. Teaching for me is not just a profession, it's my passion. I believe that a teacher should always develop, learn, and bring something new to the classroom. In my lessons, I use modern digital platforms, such as learning apps, WordWall, FlipPity, Quizzes, and Kahoot. These tools make learning interactive, competitive, and exciting for students. My teaching principle is motivate, involve, inspire. I always try to create a positive and supportive classroom atmosphere where every student feels confident to speak English. I also participate in school projects, open lessons, and teacher competitions. I believe that sharing experience with colleagues helps us all grow. I also integrate AI technologies into my teaching. I use ChatGPT to create dialogues, grammar exercises, and speaking prompts. I use Google Gemini and Canva Magic Write to design visual materials, posters, and creative tasks. Sometimes, I apply AI voice generators to create realistic listening activities.